Election Committee.
Taxi drivers who regularly operated from Motphran Civil IGP and Polo were recently prohibited from parking at Motphran due to traffic concerns. Talking to the media, Pinsuk Uroi, General Secretary of the Sinjuk Kinongnya Taxi Sor Bat Khapsor, explained that 2 years ago they had designated this place at Motphran as a taxi stand. However, the location was suddenly removed, which has negatively impacted their income. The union is requesting the authorities to reinstate the taxi parking space at Motphran.
Barsen mentang layu yang ini, layu tuli, kadang itu penyiar sekarang tuli, nomor yang lebih kami ayah, artuli apa yang kapan blok ini, mereka kan masih organik sistem apa mai kiwen ini kestan, bang kiwen kami tak akan ini perasaan ini kemain ini, sangat itu kali kita cap mengi bersejarah kita accessible, IGP, kami AG, itu sepuluh, layu tuli kita kali kita lain kita kami sistem accessible balik itu, nggak boleh bah, keblok ini.
And in the national news, Justice Sanjeev Khanna